Hello if you are new. I am happy to see you guys. As you guys can see from the title, today I'm doing my Beautylish unboxing, whatever you want to call it. This has become a tradition on my channel. I have done this now for the last 5-6 years, I believe, on my channel and on and off. And I told you guys that every 5-ish years, I'd get the extra large bag. So I ended up getting the extra large bag. It was rather easy to get it this year, which makes me a little bit nervous that next year, if I choose to get it again, it's going to be a little bit harder, but I don't know. We'll see. This is a tradition for me. This isn't something that I wanted to do for the first time. I've always done this for you guys, and one of the very few mystery bags boxes that I will invest in for the sake of you guys, even though it really hurt my wallet this year, but that's okay. I did budget for it, so I was prepared, even though it kind of hurt a little bit. So I am here to unbox this for you guys. I am the last person that received this, I kid you not. It is currently snowing outside. That's probably one of the reasons, because as the winter is coming, most states have already gotten snow, so this delayed quite a bit, and I think I might be the last person unboxing this or bagging it, whatever. So if you're here to watch this, hope and pray I do not get a pallet that I already have. All right, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead, and if you're interested in seeing what I got, stay tuned. Okay, like I mentioned, it is snowing out. This is why I don't care what I'm wearing, you guys. As soon as I'm done this video, I'm going to try to edit it and upload it and then get on to some baking, onto some relaxation. I needed it. I really had a rough week this week, but we pulled through, you guys. We pulled through and we got an extra day to chillax. So anyway, if you do not know anything about this puppy here, which I'm pretty sure you guys, most of you guys, if you are on the tube, you know what this is. Beautylish does a mystery bag every year. You either get a regular one, which is $75, which I typically get, or the extra large, which is $150. With tax and everything, the $75 ends up being $90 because they do charge shipping, and then the $150 ends up being $180, which is a hefty price. Hefty price for what you're, hopefully it's worth it. You're supposed to get $300+ value in here. I have never done an extra large one. This will be my first time. This is the pretty packaging that you guys get. It has a little saying in the back. I'm not gonna read it to you guys because everyone and their madre, tia, prima, comadre, vecina, everyone read it to you guys, so I'm reading it to you guys. You guys know the spiel. I'm gonna go ahead and just undo this and then close the lid, so then that way we can all be surprised all at the same time. All right, you guys, so I have it here, as you guys can see. I have it here. I undid it. I am not looking, but I feel something fuzzy already. So we're going to just go ahead and dive in. Hopefully nothing cuts me. Okay, so we got some organic cotton scrunchies. Oh, they're little tiny ones. I actually don't mind these, you guys, because as I've gotten older, my hair has gotten less and less. Like, I'm going through a process right now where my hair is thinning out again. I can't function. Look how tiny this hair looks. Look how petite that hair looks. I need some volume. I need something, and I'm trying not to cut my hair again short to make it look voluminous. So these will come in handy, and I like the fact that you're getting 6 of these. I can make do with these, and these don't look like they'll pull my hair. Hopefully not, at least. Oh, I can't feel jack in here. Come on out. Ooh! What is this? Charlotte Magic Cream Light. Lightweight Miracle Moisturizer with SPF 20. Oh my goodness. Oh. Fancy. Look at this, you guys. Fancy. I did not expect. And this has nice weight to it. Okay. We're going to try this out and let you guys know. You guys know I tried my best to give you guys an update on all the products. I did a roundup last year of the last 5 years, I believe, of all of my Beautylish bags. I'll let you guys know what I think about this one too. Let's move on. I feel something small. Oh, I got another Mob lip cap. So I got one of these last year and I actually do like it. So this is just the actual capsule. So let's see what color I ended up getting. If I could keep it on the desk. Okay. Feel it? No, something else. Wayne Goss, the Essential Eye Kohl. And what color is this one? I don't know what that is. It doesn't give me. I don't know. So let's open it up, Alex. Why not? There it goes, thrown again. Man, I just can't hold on to anything. Obsidian, which looks like a blue. Oh no, it is a black. I got a burgundy one last year, and these are actually rather creamy. So for a sharpening pencil, these are actually rather creamy. So I actually enjoy this one. This one I'm digging. So far, I think that only the Charlotte Tilbury is something new to me. Other than that, I've already gotten a Mob one. I've gotten a Wayne Goss eyeliner. Let's see what else. Here is the lipstick. I got the color N62, which is like a red color. The one that I got last year, was it this red color? Let me see. What color are you? How do I get you out? It doesn't say. It doesn't say. Oh no, this one's M58. So this is the one I got last year. So then this one is different. So let me open this one up because I didn't want to open it up knowing that it could be something else. Come on. Oh, it is a red. Okay. Holy moly, look at that. This is the one that I got this year. This is the one I got last year. So you guys can see. It is different. And this formula is like a shiny. You can see that it's shinier than last year, I guess. I don't know. So I'm happy. Okay. Even though it's another red, but it's a pretty red. I do like that one. And I could see myself using that in the summer. Oh, let me wipe this off because I'm going to stick my hand in there and mess it all up. Let's keep going, shall we? So we got a lipstick, eyeliner, scrunchies, and a brush. Sonia G brush that came cockeyed. I blame that on the FedEx guy. I don't know what number this one is. But it's a Sonia G brush, and I could definitely use that. Okay. Okay, even though she's a little cockeyed, but I'll fix her. Ooh, Natasha Denona Pastel Plexi Glow Highlighter. I said to the world I'm not getting another highlighter, blush, or bronzer this year, and it sends me one. So this is the one that I've seen around. It's pretty. I'm going to look up swatches before I touch this one just to see if I even want to keep it. Because I don't know if I would want to keep it. I don't know if I'll get use out of this. So let me look at swatches before I touch it. Because if not, this is going to go in a giveaway for you guys. I'm not upset about it. It's just, will I use it? I'm trying to think of, will I use it to keep it in here? So that is going to go with me. Typical, which we know, this is the Good Molecules Hyaluronic Acid Serum, which is fine because I actually am needing one. Apply in the morning and night before oils and moisturizers. Okay. I can definitely use this one, so I'm not upset about that. What is this sticking out? This is the R & Co Crystal Halo Balancing Scalp Scrub and Shampoo. So this is a clarifying shampoo, and I always can use those. I mainly use these in the summertime. So I'm going to hold on to this one in the summertime. Last year, we got an R & Co curling cream or something. I ended up using all of that up, and it was nice. My daughter used it up, so it was really nice. So I can see myself using this one as well. This is actually not a bad brand for your hair. So I'm not upset about that one either. So far, it's okay. What is this? Oh, Hindash. Heroin. What are you? Why don't these things tell you what you have? Like, I gotta guess. Is it a lipstick? Eyeliner? Oh, it's a liquid eyeliner pen. You guys know I don't use these. So this is the first thing that I'm like, I'll probably end up giving that one to my sister, so I'm not going to touch it. But yeah, it's a liquid eyeliner pen. Okay. My sister will get that one because I don't want to. Is there anything else? Okay. So we ended up getting the Danessa Myricks Groundwork Defining Neutral Palette, you guys. And I did not obviously purchase this at all. So I'm actually happy with this one. I guess they knew that I just used a lot of neutral shades. Look at that, you guys. I'm sure you guys have seen it before. Oh, I like it. Wow. Okay. Are these supposed to be shiny or shimmery? Because some of these look like they have like sparkle to them. Maybe because of the cold. I don't know. I'm like admiring it. I'm actually happy with this one. This is This is pulling at my neutrals heartstring, even though I'm not wearing neutrals today, but it is what I like to wear often. Let me double check. Is there anything else in here? No. So recap, absolutely love this. I will get use out of this eventually. I needed the hyaluronic acid serum, which is perfectly fine. Charlotte Tilbury one, very beautiful. Lipstick I could have done without because of the red, but it is beautiful, so I guess it's staying with me. My wonky brush that I got, but I do like Sonia G brushes. Just I gotta bend you the other way, bend her the other way. Eyeliner, again, I didn't want another eyeliner in my life, but this is the thing. When you do these things, eventually I will use this one up. It's gonna be here for a few years because I have so many. Liquid eyeliner, can care less. This is the one thing that I'm just like, I didn't care for that. Highlighter. I'm on the fence between this one because I don't know if I would use this. I don't know if I'd use this one. And then the scrunchies I would use. So for 180 bucks, let me be honest and frank with you guys. $180 for me personally, because I know that everyone's different. For me personally, no, I wouldn't. Mainly because the only main thing out of here that I would have purchased on my own, honestly, would have been the palette. Everything else is just like a bonus. So I would have saved myself over $100, way over $100, just by purchasing this palette and being content, because everything else I could do without. I'm trying to be realistic and I'm trying to be honest of my own personal take about this. I love doing these for you guys. You guys know that. So I continue to do these for you guys, but as somebody who knows their makeup preferences, knows what I like, I didn't need another red lipstick. Let's be honest. I didn't need another red lipstick. I did not need another black eyeliner. I did not need another highlighter, especially one that's like a duochrome one. Like that's where it's hitting me, because I'd rather it been like a gold or a pink, and then I would have been a little bit more content. But it being the shifty kind, I just, I don't want this on my face. It's gonna end up being used as an inner corner or get given away. This I could do without as well, because I could buy a moisturizer that's a lot cheaper, even though I am happy with this because I know that I get that luxuriousness and I will get use out of this. So it's not a big deal, but it's just like I wouldn't go and seek this out on my own. Same thing with this. I'm content with Head and Shoulders. Apple cider vinegar, the apple vinegar, whatever one that they have there. And it could have done the same thing for me because I don't use these as often. I maybe use a cleansing shampoo once a week, once every 2 weeks. I don't want it to strip of my oils of my hair, but I only use it like twice a month. So I could have gone for a cheaper one, or one that Ulta sold that's a little bit more affordable. And then the hyaluronic acid serum. I go out and buy these often, so this isn't something bad. Okay, I could have done that. Sonia G brush. The only ways I've ever gotten Sonia G brushes or Wayne Goss brushes is through these bags. I have never went out and purchased them myself, even though they are beautiful and luxurious, but my BK Beauty ones are just as good. My Game Beauty ones I really enjoy. There's quite a few that I have that I really enjoy that I don't necessarily have to seek out something this expensive. And then this liquid eyeliner is just a complete waste for me. I don't use these. I never use these. My two sisters do, so they end up getting these and they love them because I don't think they've ever purchased any, because every time I get them like this, I just give them to them because I don't use that at all. I've never used it, never cared for it, don't want it. When the scrunchies, yes, but I'll seek out my scrunchies when I need them. This isn't something that I need all the time. This isn't something that's like a necessity constantly. I have plenty of scrunchies now, so I could have done without these too, even though I do appreciate this as well. It's just, I'm looking at it as a realistic $180. So I basically spent $180 on this palette. Because everything else, if it didn't come in here, I wouldn't have cared for it. Like I honestly wouldn't have cared for it. That's the reason why I'm kind of disappointed in this one. It's just, but that's the nature of the game, and I have to remember that. That's the nature of the game, and that's okay. I do it for you guys. I will use this stuff, but if I'm looking at it from somebody who is being realistic, that's where my viewpoints are. These are fun. These are enjoyable. I, most of the time, get the majority of use out of all of these products, and you guys can see I still have the one from last year, the lipstick, so it does get used. It's just, it really is leftovers that they throw in here, and I wish that they would adjust the shipping and the tax portions of this, because I got this late. Why am I paying for something that came late and I'm the last one to have it. You know what I mean? Like, I don't know. Every year I feel this way. Every year I feel this way. Like, I'm just like, ah. And it may be because I have a large collection. I don't know. All right, you guys let me know what you guys think about what I got. I know I'm probably going to be a Debbie Downer as everyone's like, yay. I'm being honest and realistic with you guys as somebody who has a lot and knows what I like and what I don't like, and I'm trying to control my numbers. Yeah, we'll see. Let me know if you guys want me to do another extra large next year or just stick to the regular one and maybe have better luck next year, since I am not doing a replenishment year. It's going to be just a regular year and I'm not buying much. So maybe that might be the excitement, because I'm not buying much. I'm very happy for this. This I'm excited to use. I cannot wait. So anyway, you guys, thank you guys so much for watching. More videos on the screen for you in German. Until then.